Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is this year's camping trip. I did a video last year and I did like a cabin tour, but we're literally staying in the exact same cabin, so I'm not gonna do another cabin tour.
Actually, different cabin.
But fun fact, my brother is with us this year. You can't really see him. The lighting in here is kind of bad. And this is his first year camping.
I'm eating Milk Duds.
And he's eating Milk Duds. Where'd you get Milk Duds? Are they my Milk Duds?
No, they're in a little candy
Oh,
jar.
okay, I was gonna say I had Milk Duds in the car, and we were about a fist fight. So yeah.
Milk Duds for that.
But yeah, I'm super excited. I don't really know. It's like 9 o'clock right now. I think it's like 8 o'clock right now in Indiana though. But
hold on, I didn't think about that.
Yeah, so I don't actually know what we're doing. We're probably going on a golf cart ride. This year, because of COVID, they aren't doing trick-or-treating or the dance party. Oh, look at this man.
I'm walking down and I didn't think about that. I'm not like leaning down.
You're gonna knock yourself out.
100%.
Anyways, so it's a little bit different this year. I'm not really sure what all we're doing, but we're just gonna play it by ear. So let's get this vlog on the road. Yeet! Yay! So, Chase, you want to tell them the disadvantages of being, how tall are you?
Like 5'9.5".
So you 6 foot?
No, 5'9".
Oh, wait. I was thinking that was right under 6 foot.
No. 5'11 and a half.
Go stand in it.
With my shoes on?
Yeah.
This is life.
You're gonna have to.
I'm gonna be like,
That is so tough. Oh, Jesus. I did it.
But I don't know how happy the parents would be. Oh, that is...
talk to some of the stands.
Hold on, what's going on? Whoa! What is going on? What was that? Did Mom just really just... Ah, good, because I couldn't get it. I'm going to show you outfit too.
And Crystal said, do you think you can beat us up this hill? And your mom said, yeah, I think I can. So we tried
So she ran up the hill.
So we ran up the hill.
Show us your fit. Love it. What is it? Is it a...
Some other...
Oh, okay, it's a pug. I like it. Okay. Good morning, vlog. Happy Halloween. So right now I'm wearing my Chucky sweater. This is what I was gonna be, but I don't really think I'm actually gonna dress up because we're not trick-or-treating. And I'm lazy. And also look at my nails. Like I never showed y'all. They're like little vampire nails. Let's see what you got, Aunt Crystal. Okay, good first step. That was good! Yay! You want to do that too?
No. Maybe later.
I think she should do it.
I ain't going to be able to get my leg up there. What are you talking about? More or less get over the thing.
Oh, she's really going to try.
Look, I can't. See, I can't get my leg up there. Donnie should do it. Donnie's hanging off the die if I try and do this.
Yeah, you should probably stop.
Ashley.
What?
Where's she at? She's running.
Oh, that's so sweet. They shook hands. So we have Chase over here trying to outrun the golf carts, and we can see that he is not even trying.
Trying at all, like not
He
even.
literally is like jogging right now. Just jogging.
He's kind of running a little bit. I can't see anything. Good job, Chase. Good job. I don't know how to drink it. I get her a good deal on that.
Okay, vlog. vlog. So it's the very next day and we're doing our little Christmas shopping because now it's Christmas. It literally is. Yesterday was Halloween, November 1st. It's Christmas now. So we're in the Christmas shop. So I'm sure y'all remember last year. Look how cute that is. This is so extra. So I'm not gonna do like a whole tour because like I said, y'all have seen the same exact shop last year. Where's Aunt Crystal or Aunt Brandy? Oh, I wanted to show one of y'all. Look, isn't that cute? What does it say? Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. I was like, I need to find Aunt Brandy or Aunt Crystal and show them that. I think I should get one of these little like, what is this? Like a kitchen scarf?
A kitchen.
Is it? Is it not?
Look. My kitchen bow.
My hairdresser, my drawer, and my bartender.
Oh, is that where they have some Halloween stuff?
Yeah, I don't know where they usually do the pictures of Santa.
That's kind of cute. I didn't know they had a Halloween section. Okay. Oh. Oh, that is intense. Oh, it's a little mirror. Hey.
Which one do you want? The skeleton, pumpkin, or
My Snoopy night lights. I could use another one.
This one's the cutest.
What?
And then look at this one.
That's probably so expensive. Oh my god, Mom, that is the cutest system.
Or so you can have a campfire night.
Yeah, that's so sweet.
That one is so precious. It's probably so expensive.
As well as this.
I got this last year, Kylie. This nightlight.
That's cute.
Three. Her name's Three. Why is her name Three?
Yeah, my name's Three. That's my new mom.
Oh, okay, Three. I'm glad she named you that. Oh, so it was Three? Cool. I mean, look at this. It's like Snoopy heaven over here. Yeah, my brother was like, I need to show you something. And he showed me this because I like Panda Express is my favorite restaurant on this planet of Earth. So that's pretty cool. He knows me so well. Not this one, that one. Not this one. But y'all, look at how cute. When I have like thousands of dollars to spend on these little decorations, I'm gonna have to get the Grinch because look at how cute.
Actually, you see those Grinch ones over there?
I did see those Grinch ones. I didn't see all these cute little buildings though. You could have Whoville. Pancake House is $94. But Whoville pancakes to go. All right, so now we are at Santa's Candy Castle. We're gonna see some unique candy and get the iced chocolate. That is literally the best thing I've ever tasted in my entire life. I'm sorry, I also probably look gross right now. My allergies are kicking me in the actual eyeballs right now, so love it. So we got some cute little thingies for the reindeers and the gingerbread man. Y'all gotta see the entrance. Well, this is the entrance, but y'all gotta see the side. Like I said, if you watched last year's vlog, you've already seen it, but it is so cute. Is it not? Got the little Grinch over there. Love it. So in the clip that you're about to see next, I don't know if y'all seen on TikTok where they take like these little like jelly fruits.
Don't do it.
Oh my god, it was so nasty.
Don't do it.
They're so gross. But yeah, we tried doing it the TikTok way where you like bite into the plastic, and it was a flop. It was a flop. Go.